Hey guys, Casey here. Today we're diving into something game-changing YouTube automation with AI. It's like having a whole production team in your pocket. But don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. We're going to create a video about ancient Egypt using AI and free tools. No fancy equipment needed, just your computer and an internet connection. Throughout this guide, we'll be using tools like ChatGPT, Clipchamp, and CapCut. These are game changers in the world of content creation. They're user-friendly and best of all, they're free. But remember, while AI is awesome, it's not everything. We'll also talk about the importance of adding your personal touch. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to create your own automated YouTube video. So, are you ready to become a YouTube automation pro? Let's get started. First things first, we need a script. This is where ChatGPT comes in handy. It's like having a writing partner who never sleeps. To get started, head over to chat.openai.com. It's free to use and you just need to sign up. Once you're in, it's time to get creative. Tell ChatGPT what you want. For our ancient Egypt video, we might say something like, write a script for a 5-minute YouTube video about the most interesting facts of ancient Egypt. ChatGPT will then generate a script for you. It's that simple. But here's where your input matters. Read through the script. Does it sound like you? If not, ask ChatGPT to rewrite it in your style. Keep tweaking until it feels right. Remember, this is your video, so make sure the script reflects your voice. With your script ready, we're one step closer to your automated YouTube video. Now that we have our script, it's time to bring it to life with a voiceover. We're going to use Clipchamp for this. It's a free online video editor with a built-in text-to-speech feature. Head over to clipchamp.com and create an account if you haven't already. Once you're in Clipchamp, start a new project. Look for the text-to-speech option under the Audio tab. Copy and paste your script into the text box. You can choose from a variety of AI voices. Pick one that fits the vibe of your video. Listen to the generated voiceover. Does it sound natural? If not, try adjusting the punctuation in your script. Once you're happy with the voiceover, export it as an audio file. We'll use this in the next steps of our video creation process. Remember, while AI voiceovers are convenient, they might not capture the exact emotion or emphasis you want. With our script and voiceover ready, it's time to make things visual. We need footage to accompany our narration about ancient Egypt. This is where stock footage comes in handy. There are plenty of free resources out there. My go-to is Pixabay. It's free and has a wide variety of high-quality videos. Head over to pixabay.com and create an account. In the search bar, type in keywords related to ancient Egypt. Browse through the results and download the videos that best fit your script. When choosing footage, think about variety. Mix up wide shots of landscapes with close-ups of artifacts. This keeps your video visually interesting. If you can't find everything you need on Pixabay, try other free stock footage sites like Pexels or Videvo. Between these resources, you should be able to find enough footage to cover your entire script. Remember, it's better to have too much footage than not enough. Alright, now we're getting to the fun part, editing. We're going to use CapCut for this. It's a free, user-friendly editing software that works on both desktop and mobile. Head to CapCutApp.com and download the version that works for you. Once you've got CapCut open, start a new project. Import your voiceover and all the stock footage you've collected. Now, it's time to start piecing everything together. Drag your voiceover onto the timeline first. This will be the backbone of your video. Next, start adding your video clips. Try to match the visuals with what's being said in the voiceover. CapCut makes it easy to trim and arrange clips. Don't be afraid to experiment with transitions between clips. CapCut has some cool built-in options. Play around with different fonts and colors to find a style that fits your video's vibe. Now that our video is edited, we need to create a thumbnail that will make people want to click. For this, we're going to use two tools, Blue Willow AI and Canva. First, let's start with Blue Willow AI. It's a free AI image generator that can create some really cool, unique images. Go to bluewillow.ai and sign up for a free account. In the prompt box, describe the thumbnail you want. For our ancient Egypt video, we might say something like, a realistic cinematic shot of the Great Pyramid of Giza at sunset with a mysterious glow. Play around with different prompts until you get an image you like. Once you have your AI-generated image, it's time to head over to Canva. Go to canva.com and create a free account if you haven't already. Start a new design and choose the YouTube thumbnail template. Upload your AI-generated image as the background. Your title should be big, bold, and easy to read. Use contrasting colors to make it pop. Let's talk about why titles and thumbnails are so crucial. They're like the cover of a book. They're the first thing people see when scrolling through YouTube. A great title and thumbnail can be the difference between someone clicking on your video or scrolling past. For titles, think about what would make you click. Use power words that create curiosity or excitement. For our Ancient Egypt video, a title like 5 Mind-Blowing Secrets of Ancient Egypt Revealed is more enticing than just facts about ancient Egypt. But be careful not to oversell. Your title should accurately represent your content. When it comes to thumbnails, contrast is key. Use colors that pop against the YouTube background. Text on thumbnails should be large and easy to read, even on a small mobile screen. Remember, your title and thumbnail work together to tell a story that makes viewers want to know more. Now, I know we've been talking a lot about automation, but here's the thing. You can't automate everything. And honestly, you shouldn't want to. Your personal touch is what makes your content unique. Automation tools like AI are great for speeding up the process and handling repetitive tasks. They can help with scripting, voiceovers, and even some aspects of editing. But they shouldn't replace your creativity and decision-making. You still need to guide the process and make important choices. For example, while ChatGPT can generate a script, you should always review and edit it. Add your own jokes, personal anecdotes, or unique insights. Similarly, while AI can create voiceovers, consider recording important parts yourself to add a personal touch. In editing, automation can help with tasks like adding captions or basic cuts, but you should manually review the final product to ensure the pacing feels right and the visuals match the narration. Remember, your audience is coming for your unique perspective and style. Creating great content is just the first step. To really succeed on YouTube, you need to build a community around your channel. This is something that can't be automated. It requires genuine interaction and engagement. Start by encouraging viewers to comment on your videos. Ask questions at the end of your videos to spark discussion. For our Ancient Egypt video, we might ask, "What's the most fascinating fact you learned about ancient Egypt?" Share in the comments. Then make sure to respond to comments. This shows your audience that you value their input. Don't forget about your other social media platforms. Share snippets of your videos on Instagram or Twitter to draw people to your YouTube channel. Create polls on your community tab to get viewers involved in deciding future video topics. Live streams are another great way to connect with your audience. Remember, building a community takes time and effort, but it's worth it. Consistency is key on YouTube. But how do you keep pumping out videos regularly without burning out? Here's where our automation tools really shine. They can help you create a content pipeline that keeps your channel active and growing. Start by batching your work. Spend one day brainstorming and writing scripts with ChatGPT for multiple videos. Then, dedicate another day to recording voiceovers and finding stock footage. This approach is more efficient than creating videos one at a time from start to finish. Use a content calendar to plan your uploads. This helps you stay organized and ensures you're covering a variety of topics. Schedule your video uploads in advance using YouTube Studio. This way your content goes live even if you're busy or away. Don't be afraid to repurpose content. That Ancient Egypt video we made, you could break it down into shorter clips for YouTube Shorts or social media posts. And there you have it, guys. We've covered everything you need to know to start creating automated YouTube videos using AI. From scripting with ChatGPT to editing with CapCut, we've explored tools that can streamline your content creation process. But remember, these are just tools. The real magic comes from you, your unique perspective, your creativity, your passion. That's what will make your videos stand out. Use these automation tools to handle the repetitive tasks, but always inject your personality into your content. As you start this journey, don't get discouraged if things aren't perfect right away. It takes time to find your rhythm and style. Experiment with different topics, styles, and techniques. Pay attention to what resonates with your audience and adjust accordingly. Most importantly, have fun with it. Creating content should be enjoyable. So what are you waiting for? It's time to start your YouTube automation journey. Until next time, this is Alex signing off. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Peace.